If you're looking for information on the BrandLens Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The BrandLens Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the BrandLens Lifetime Deal, so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Revolutionizing co-creation of content with communities. Simple steps: create an innovative marketing strategy and share the link or QR code. Gather the information directly on the cloud. Authentic content. Involve your community by collaborating with customers, supporters, influencers, staff, and other interested parties to create together. Unleashing the creative. Organize karaoke competitions, duets, unboxing events, stitching projects, and various other activities. Generate a new fad that takes off. On brand. Manage your branding at all phases of your user-generated content campaign. Familiar UX and interface with inventive capabilities similar to those of TikTok and Instagram. AI technology. Utilize artificial intelligence to manage and refine your collection of user-generated videos. User consent. Decide on the timing and method of obtaining consent for the user-generated content. User-generated content would skyrocket your digital presence, but collecting content from customers feels a lot like picture day. Unfortunately, shelling out for big-name influencers isn't just out of your budget, it also doesn't feel authentic anymore. You need a platform that makes it easy for any customer to send in the perfect video, no matter their camera skills. Meet BrandLens. Collect high-quality, short-form video from your audience with detailed on-camera instructions that you can share and repurpose. Build a content library and share videos via TikTok-style feeds that are browser-based, no downloads required. BrandLens is a content platform that lets you collect user-generated videos from real customers and fans right from their mobile device. With BrandLens, you get everything you need to create unlimited user-generated content creation campaigns in a snap. You'll be able to design a landing page to collect info from customers and fans, like their name, email address, and social media handle. It's easy to add terms and conditions to your campaign for legal compliance, ensuring that you have full rights to all submitted videos. Plus, you can set up incentives for your campaign, like entering into giveaway contests or sharing special discount codes with contributors. BrandLens also lets you guide users to record their best video. Just insert your instructions on the recording screen. You can also add logos, text, images, and more onto a timeline, giving them super specific instructions and visual aids throughout the recording process. No matter how detailed you get, you'll be able to control which layers are visible in the final video, so the actual video isn't cluttered with any how-tos or tips. Best of all, BrandLens stores all your videos, so you can build a library of user-generated content to repurpose for social posts and ads. Filter videos by campaign, duration, favorites, submission date, and more to find the exact clip you need in seconds. You can even add keyword tags to videos or use AI-powered tagging to sort your library into unique categories, like geographic location or gender demographic. Plus, you'll be able to export all the contact info submitted by users, making it a breeze to send email blasts or build a lookalike audience for ad campaigns. BrandLens also lets you showcase videos in a curated TikTok-style gallery that you can share with others via link or QR code. That means you'll be able to build your own social media platform where you highlight your customer community to different stakeholders. You can even set permissions for viewer actions in each gallery, like the ability to download videos to their personal devices. BrandLens is a platform that allows you to gather user-generated videos from real customers and fans using their mobile devices. You can easily create unlimited content creation campaigns by designing a landing page to collect information from customers and fans, adding terms and conditions for legal compliance, and setting up incentives for your campaign. With BrandLens, you can guide users to record their best video by inserting instructions on the recording screen and adding logos, text, images, and more onto a timeline. The platform also stores all your videos, allowing you to build a library of user-generated content to repurpose for social posts and ads. You can showcase videos in a curated TikTok-style gallery that you can share with others via link or QR code, and set permissions for viewer actions in each gallery. BrandLens helps you collect authentic user-generated content and guide users to record stunning video content from a simple landing page. Your customers' video endorsements shouldn't look like a submission to America's Funniest Home Videos. That's why BrandLens is packed with features to help you guide users to record stunning video content from a simple landing page. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to BrandLens today. One-time purchase of $49 only.